Hey everyone, Vince here. Welcome to my survey spin review. Can we really earn fast money by completing surveys on this application? That's what we're going to find out today. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. So this is what Survey Spin looks like on the Google Play Store. Once you've opened Survey Spin up, you will then be greeted to all the surveys that you can complete. Now you'll notice that, at least in my country here of Australia, the surveys that I have available are paying reasonably well. You have your balance in the top left corner of the screen, you have the minimum cash out of $5. We then have the actual surveys themselves with the time they'll take to complete, plus the difficulty rating. Now you'll notice this megaphone in the top left corner of the screen. Tapping that brings up the referral page because yes, there are referrals in Survey Spin, so if you know anyone that you want to refer to the application, they do allow you to do that, which is pretty cool. If you guys join through my link, you get $1 for free, and then I get rewarded 50 cents for signing you up and a 10% bonus of lifetime earnings. By the way, this does not affect your own earnings, which is awesome. You can apply your code in this area as well, and that's my code right there. Now tapping the little profile picture in the top right corner of the screen brings up the account settings. This is where you can actually activate certain settings on your mobile phone, and Survey Spin will grant you access to higher paying surveys. So you'll notice here as well, there's a notification frequency. I highly recommend that you guys check this setting out and maybe turn that to high instead of medium, because then Survey Spin will notify you every single time there's a new survey to complete, which is very helpful because surveys are not permanent. They will disappear eventually if you do not complete them in time. So you can see here that there's account verification. I did need to supply Survey Spin with my mobile phone number in order to actually use the application. This might not be everyone's personal preference, but they do require your number, at least in my country here of Australia. Now we are back on the survey page. This is where I'm going to show you the survey process. Survey Spin is willing to give me $1.75 for a 1-minute survey with a 5-star rating, which means it's extremely easy to complete, thankfully. So this survey is from Survey Spin themselves, which will give us a great example on how the survey system works. You get to see the number of members that have completed this survey, you have the survey provider, the rating, the average completion time, and the bonus. Because yes, Survey Spin will give you bonuses for completing surveys, and this is what makes it so unique. This survey is just Survey Spin asking us what we like about their application. I just simply wrote down that I like that it has a bonus system. Now they're asking, can they improve anything? I'll do what everyone's probably thinking, and that's higher paying surveys. Now it's asking me how likely I am to refer this to a friend. I'll put down 10. And now I can complete the survey. And that's it. Just like that, we have earned $1.75, and now I can boost my rewards here. This is the bonus section now of Survey Spin, and what makes it such a unique application in my opinion compared to what we've seen on the market before. As you see, we have various different boosts available. Hopefully we can land on the 100% boost, but I have a feeling we'll probably land on 5%. It states slide to spin. I'm now spinning that wheel. Here we go. What do we land on? No bonus, everyone. That is some poor luck right there. So now we have $1.76 balance, and we're almost halfway to that minimum cash out of $5. On the screen right now, you're going to be seeing the various spins I was able to complete earlier on when reviewing the application. Now, I have to say, this kind of reward system is very, very cool. I hope more survey applications start implementing these kind of bonuses for their users. Whether or not the bonus feature is just to take away from the fact that they might not be paying us the highest surveys, that's another question altogether. Honestly, I'm happy with the amount of money we get per survey on this application, but I do understand there are probably higher paying apps out there at the moment, but I feel like this bonus feature is a really cool little add-on that other survey applications should definitely replicate. Let me try and complete this 66-cent survey plus the bonus there for 9 minutes worth of my time. So again, same exact situation here, very straightforward setup. It makes me very happy to see. It's not confusing, just simply start the survey. That's what we want. Okay, I just completed that survey then without any issues, thankfully. Just remember, by the way, Survey Spin does have disqualifications, so it's not like you're going to be avoiding them. There will be disqualifications just like any other survey app out there. But now you notice I have the 66 cents earned, and now I can do the bonus spin. So let's hit boost and spin that wheel. Okay, so now we're back on the wheel. Let's do the boost. Fingers crossed it's not no bonus again. Here we go. And it's a 5% bonus. So now we've completed the survey for 66 cents. had the 5% bonus applied to that, which means 4 cents, and now I have a total of 70 cents earned. And now you'll see my balance has instantly updated here, which is very cool. So look, I can't guarantee you all out there you're going to get the same survey prices that I get here in Australia, because these apps are different in every single country and circumstance. But I guess at the end of the day, this doesn't matter unless the application is actually going to pay us real money, which I'm about to show you that process now. So let's find out together here if SurveySpin is legit or a scam. So now my balance is at $5 and I'm able to cash out. All I need to do is tap that blue bar. And now I have two separate payment options here of either PayPal or Amazon. Now you might even have different options to what I have here in Australia, so keep that in mind. As long as you reach that minimum threshold of $5, you should technically be able to actually cash out on SurveySpin without an issue. Once tapping on the payment method, it will bring up the amount you're going to be receiving and the email address it's going to send it to. You can actually change your email address if needed, by the way. It's then going to bring up the confirmation page. All you need to do then is simply hit cash out. You will then get the confirmation page saying congratulations with the amount of money you've cashed out. At this point, you're all done. At this point, you shouldn't have to do anything else but just wait. Now, I was personally thinking in my head, there is no way that this could be this straightforward. But I was very surprised to see that, yes guys, SurveySpin literally paid me within 1 minute after cashing out, which for a survey application is absolutely insane. These are the same developers that created SurveyPop, which I covered previously on the channel. Even more interesting enough, it seems that Social Loop has even created Eureka Surveys. So it seems that Eureka Surveys are starting to push out more applications onto the market, which is great to see, and I'm sure I'll cover them on this channel as well. So far, I've managed to earn $7.44 from 11 surveys, which from a survey point of view, that's excellent because you're looking at roughly what, a 60 to 70 cent earnings per average on those surveys, which kind of shows you the potential here of these applications. So I have to recommend you do keep them on your phone just in the background. Maybe when you're bored and you want to see what they're offering up for the day, just make sure you change this setting here for location settings to give you access to the highest paying surveys. And of course, you change your notification frequency from medium to high. I haven't actually done that yet because I wanted to show you on the video first. I can't stress it enough, everyone. If you're going to use SurveySpin, make sure you join up through someone's referral. Remember, you get the $1 sign up bonus. Whether or not you use my code, that's completely up to you, but I definitely recommend you somehow join up through a referral code to get the extra $1 bonus. You'll find all relevant links in the description below of this video. And by the way, while you're there, if you want more legitimate money making applications, be sure to check out my YouTube channel's playlist and of course my personal website where I have over 100 different money making methods. I hope I helped someone out there. See you soon for another review.